How to turn off seen or read receipts on Instagram DM. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can turn off seen or read receipts on your Instagram's DM. So before we begin, if you're new here, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. So here what you'll first need to do is make sure that your app is up to date to the latest version. If it is, open it up. After you open up your Instagram, you can then go to your DMs. Tap on the DM option. After you do that, you will then need to head over to a specific chat. After you're there, tap on the top name here. There you'll find privacy and safety. Tap on privacy and safety. And from here you'll find the read receipts. Now this is for a specific chat. We will see how you can do this for all the chats as well. So just stay tuned and watch till the end. Now to turn off read receipts, simply toggle this button off. After you toggle the button off, now others can't see, others will not be able to see if you have read their message, and it will also be applicable to you, and you won't be able to see if they have read your messages or not. And that's how you do it for a specific chat. Now moving on to for all chats, go to your profile, go to the home page, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right. After you're on your profile, tap on the top right corner. After you're on your top right corner, you'll need to select messages and story replies. So scroll down until you find messages and story replies, then open it up. After you're there, you will find who can see that your online section where you'll find show read receipts. Tap on that. And from here, turn this off. And now this is applicable for all the chats. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.